Morgan, are you in your high chair like a big girl? Are you eating bananas? Are they yummy? I think you think your high chair is better. Morgan, would you like some bananas? Oh, would you like some bananas? Are they good? Yum, yum. Big girl. You want some more? Oh. Is it good? Yummies. Oh, here. Good girl. Ooh. You good? Are you all done? Morgan. Are you all done? Okay. Clean you up.